In fact, as people demand the reinstatement of Noida SDM Durga Shakti, it seems another honest officer has been shunted out for doing his job. The SP of Jaisalmer, Pankaj Chaudhary, has been transferred to a non-field posting. Now, this coming in the face of allegations that he reopened the history sheet against Ghazi Fakir, the father of Congress MLA Saleh Mohammed. 80-year-old Ghazi had a history sheet against him since 1965 for smuggling activities. The history sheet went missing in 1984. Residents allege that the SP has been transferred due to pressure from Ghazi Fakir's family. Ghazi's son Saleh Mohammed is an MLA and another son, Abdullah Fakir, is a Zilla Pramukh.
तो ये चीज घटनाएं हैं, इन घटनाओं पे रोक होनी चाहिए। हम इसमें जो है वो राज्यों में भेदभाव नहीं कर रहे हैं। हम तो बहुत ईमानदारी के साथ कह रहे हैं, कहीं पर भी हो, जो कर्मठ अधिकारी हैं, काम करने वाले अधिकारी हैं, अच्छे अधिकारी हैं, उनको सुरक्षा का भी एहसास होना चाहिए और उनको सम्मान का भी एहसास होना चाहिए, तब बेहतर तरीके से राज चल सकता है।
देखिए, मुझे इसके बारे में कोई इत्तला नहीं है और जब तक मेरे पास इसकी कोई जानकारी ना हो मैं इस पर कुछ नहीं कह सकता और ये मुमकिन है कि एक और विवाद खड़ा करने की कोशिश की जा रही हो।
All right, Harsha Kumari Singh now joins us live from Jaipur for more on that. Harsha, this transfer, of course, happened on Friday, and this is coming ahead of the assembly elections in the state. But there were many other officers who were transferred along with Pankaj Chaudhary. Any idea, have you had a chance to speak with him yet to find out what exactly happened?
Well, yes, about 49 IPS officers and 21 superintendents of districts in Rajasthan were transferred late on Friday night directly by the Chief Minister's office. But having said that, Kashish, Pankaj Chaudhary was in Jaisalmer only for 5 months. He's been given a non-field posting. He's taking over as SP training in Kishangarh. That's considered a punishment posting in IAS circles. And the point is that during his tenure, the history sheet against Ghazi Fakir was reopened. Now, we know that Ghazi Fakir in 1965 had a history sheet against him since 1965. He closed it in 84. Again, it was reopened in 1955. And according to the 1995, according to the rules, a history sheet cannot be summarily closed by anybody. And I think this file, as far as I know, what sources have told me, the file went all the way up to ADG Crime, who said that the SP was right in opening the history sheet. Of course, Saleh Mohammed is a strong MLA. He and his brother are very, very influential in that area. They are believed to be, his father at least was believed to be in various activities apart from smuggling, liquor, even land grabbing. But as happens with influential politicians, sometimes they would make sure that their name never came up in police records. But yes, I can say that there is a history behind this family, certainly. And Pankaj Chaudhary, of course, is upset. He has said, I think he has said quite clearly that this has happened because of that, though of course the state government is saying that it's a routine transfer, and if 21 other IPS officers of police who were in charge of districts could be transferred, then why not Pankaj?
All right, Harsha, really quickly, given that all of this week we've seen headlines on the Durga Shakti Nagpal case, this case really coming at a time when, of course, that issue is in a sense dominating headlines. Is there any sense of local outrage in Jaisalmer at all?
Yes, certainly the people in Jaisalmer are protesting. The Aam Aadmi Party has also decided in Jaipur to have a token demonstration. So definitely there is a sense of anger. But knowing the kind of politics that the Congress plays in Rajasthan, especially Ashok Gehlot's politics, if he did come under pressure from Saleh Mohammed, then we will never really know that because that's between the Chief Minister and the MLA. He did transfer Pankaj Chaudhary in a routine transfer with 49 other IPS officers.